Last month I spent 30 days generating AI designs with Midjourney and selling them on print-on-demand platforms. Total revenue, $2,847. Total time spent, about 4 hours a day. And the craziest part? I wasn't a designer. I didn't have followers. I just knew the right prompts to use. If you want to know exactly how I did it and how you can start this week, keep watching. Here's what you're going to learn in the next 10 minutes, the exact 3-step system I use to generate designs that actually sell, the specific Midjourney prompts that convert best, how to set up your print-on-demand stores to maximize profit per design, and the pricing strategy that got me $12 to $35 per sale. By the end, you'll have everything you need to start today. But here's the thing, this isn't one of those make $10,000 overnight videos. This took effort, testing, and honestly, some designs that flopped. That's why I'm showing you exactly where I went wrong, so you don't waste time on the same mistakes. Step 1, nail your Midjourney prompts. Don't just type cool design. Here's what actually works. I used specific prompts like minimalist line art illustration of a cat doing yoga, modern aesthetic, trending on design sites, 8K resolution, vector style. The key is you're giving Midjourney style, mood, and commercial viability. Pro tip, include words like minimalist, trendy, commercial, and printable. I generated about 200 designs in the first 2 weeks. Out of those, maybe 60 were actually worth uploading. The mistake people make? They generate one design and expect it to sell. You need quantity to find your winners. Use Midjourney's fast mode for $10 a month, it's worth it when you're testing volume. Step 2, choose your platforms wisely. I uploaded to 3 places, Etsy, Redbubble, and Printful integrated with Shopify. Here's why that matters. Etsy takes 6.5% plus payment fees. Redbubble handles printing and shipping, you just set a markup, usually 20 to 40% profit. Printful lets you build a store and earn more per item, but you have to drive traffic yourself. In my 30 days, Redbubble gave me 60% of sales because buyers were already there. Etsy gave me 25% because I ran low-cost ads. Printful gave me 15% because I didn't have an audience yet. The mistake, spreading yourself too thin. Pick one, master it, then expand. I wasted time on platforms with zero traction. Step 3, pricing and niche selection. This was my biggest breakthrough. General designs flop. Niche designs sell. I focused on 3 niches, 90s nostalgia designs, minimalist wellness designs, and geeky coffee lover designs. Pricing, on Redbubble, I set t-shirts at $22 to $26. Hoodies at $38 to $42. The platform handles the rest. On Etsy, I sold digital downloads of my designs for $3.99 to $9.99, those require zero fulfillment. And here's the income breakdown from my 30 days, 89 t-shirt sales at average $18 profit each, 34 hoodie sales at $28 profit each, 156 digital download sales at $3 profit each. Total, $2,847. The mistake people make? Pricing too low because they think nobody will buy or too high because they think AI designs are premium. Test your niche. The market will tell you what it's worth. Alright, we're halfway through, and the next part is the one I wish I'd known. Most people generate designs and hope. They don't. You need a testing and iteration system. Here's mine, I uploaded 60 designs to Redbubble in week 1. By day 10, I had clear data on what was selling and what wasn't. The winners? Nostalgia and humor designs. The losers? Abstract art and generic motivation quotes. So in week 2, I generated 80 more designs, all focused on what was working. That alone doubled my sales rate. The common mistake, treating design generation like a one-time thing. You need to iterate based on data. Check your analytics every 3 to 4 days. Kill the losers. Double down on the winners. That's the actual income multiplier. Here's the recap. First, master Midjourney prompts, include style, mood, and commercial viability. Second, pick your platform strategically. Redbubble for quick traction, Etsy for digital sales, Printful if you're driving your own traffic. Third, niche down and iterate based on data, not guesses. Real talk, this earned me $2,847 in 30 days, but I spent about 120 hours doing it. That's $23 an hour. Not life-changing, but respectable for learning a system you can scale. Here's your action this week: generate 30 Midjourney designs focusing on one niche you care about. Upload them to Redbubble or Etsy. Set a reminder to check analytics in a week. See what sells. That's it. You don't need permission, you don't need followers, and you don't need design experience. So here's my question for you: which niche are you going to target first? Drop it in the comments, I read every single one. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I drop a new AI money method every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next one.